Somewhere right now, someone just got paid $500 for writing 3 emails in English. Someone else just closed a $2,000 project because they knew exactly what to say on a client call. And somewhere, someone with more talent than both of them is still stuck, charging $5 an hour, not because they lack skill, not because they lack ambition, but because nobody ever told them that their English was worth so much more. Welcome to Get Paid in English, the channel that exists for one reason and one reason only: to show talented, hardworking people exactly how to use English to build real income online. Not grammar lessons, not textbook exercises, not boring vocabulary lists. Just the exact words, scripts, phrases, and strategies that get you paid in English from anywhere in the world. If this is your first time here, you are exactly where you need to be. Stay until the end of this video, because what I'm about to share with you could completely change how you see your English skills forever. Let me ask you something honest. Have you ever felt like your English just wasn't good enough? Like you wanted to reach out to an international client, but something stopped you? Maybe it was fear. Maybe you didn't know the right words. Maybe you wrote the email and then deleted it without sending. You're not alone. Millions of talented people around the world feel this exact way every single day. Designers, writers, developers, marketers, virtual assistants, people with real world-class skills who are stuck working for local clients at local rates simply because they don't feel confident enough in their English to go global. And the saddest part? Most of them will never take that step, not because they can't, but because nobody ever showed them how. Today, that changes for you. Here is a truth that most people never realize. The difference between someone earning $3 an hour on a freelancing platform and someone earning $50 an hour on that same platform is rarely about skill. It's about communication. It's about how they present themselves, how they write their proposals, how they respond to clients, how they negotiate their rates, how they handle difficult conversations. In other words, it's about their English. Not perfect English, not native English, just confident, clear, professional English. And here is what makes this even more powerful. The clients who pay the most, the international clients, the European businesses, the American startups, they are not looking for perfect grammar. They are looking for someone they can trust. Someone who communicates clearly, someone who makes them feel confident that the job will get done right. And that is something you can learn. That is something this channel will teach you. Step by step, video by video. Think about what is actually possible for you right now. Right now, there are businesses in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and Europe actively looking for talented people to hire remotely. Writers, designers, developers, marketers, customer service professionals, social media managers. They don't care where you live. They don't care what your accent sounds like. They care about one thing. Can you do the job and can you communicate clearly? And the answer, for most people watching this right now, is yes. You just don't know it yet. There are people right now in Nigeria, in the Philippines, in Brazil, in India, in Egypt, in Colombia, in America, in London, and all over the world who are earning in dollars, pounds, and euros, working from their laptops, choosing their own hours, sending their children to better schools, building better lives. Not because they are smarter than you, not because their English is perfect, but because they learned exactly what to say and when to say it. That knowledge is what this channel gives you, free, every single week. So here is exactly what you are going to learn on this channel. You are going to learn how to write proposals that make clients choose you, even over native English speakers. You are going to learn the exact email templates that get replies, even from clients who ignore everyone else. You are going to learn how to negotiate your rates without feeling awkward, without apologizing, and without losing the client. You are going to learn how to present yourself on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr so that clients see you as a premium professional from the very first line. You are going to learn how to handle difficult client conversations in a way that protects your income and your reputation. And you are going to learn how to use tools like ChatGPT to make your business English sharper, faster, and more professional than ever before. Every single video on this channel is built around one question: how does this help you get paid more in English? Before I let you go, I want to leave you with this. Your English is not a weakness. It has never been a weakness. The fact that you learned English as a second language, that you communicate across cultures, that you think in more than one language, that is a strength that most people in the world will never have. International clients don't just want someone who speaks English. They want someone who understands different cultures, someone who is hungry, someone who works hard and communicates with heart. That is you. It has always been you. The only thing that was missing was someone to show you exactly how to package that into income. That is what we do here. That is what Get Paid in English is all about. If this video spoke to you, if you felt even one moment of recognition, then this channel was made for you. Subscribe right now and turn on your notifications, because every week we publish new videos with the exact scripts, templates, and strategies that will help you earn more in English. And when you subscribe, go straight to the next video, because that is where we get into the exact phrases that make clients pay you more, and you are not going to want to miss it. This is Get Paid in English, and your global income starts right now.